This is the Dacia Sandero MK2, and if you need to install the child seat to this front seat, you will need to deactivate that front passenger's airbag, because otherwise it's gonna happen like this sticker says. The airbag may deploy in case of accident, and your child will be flying around with the seat. So how can you do that? In my case, it's the left-hand drive vehicle, so the activation switch is here. So the switch is now in on position, and I can't move it. So what I need to do, I need to depress the switch, move it to off, and let it go. So in this case, when I start the engine, I will have the front passenger airbag deactivated, and I can install the child seat here. But then when I don't need to install the child seat there, I also need to put it in the on position so that the passenger's airbag will deploy in case of an accident. So this switch should be in the on position at all times, and only when you install the child seat, it should be like this.